Starting. My name is Marissa. This is Tony. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are completing our egg project for the egg lab, the potato lab, and the balloon lab. I'm gonna have Tony take off.
Yeah, we started with the potatoes. Swing you around here. That should be good. But we thought they were gonna get a little kind of swell a little bit, just become more hypo. After an hour, the beaker 3, which is this one here, which is just the regular water, it's pretty breakable. It's somewhat flexible. But the one with salt water is a lot more brittle and a lot more soft. And the plain one is just kind of dry. A little more flimsy as well, but other than that, so I'd probably say most flimsy, middle, and not much of a difference. We also went to the vanilla extract in the balloon bag.
Yeah.
You guys can see that. And we did smell it in. And the smell is throughout the entire bag. I can smell it now and smell it through the entire bag. So it's basically leaving the balloon and going into the bag, which is kind of what we thought was going to happen. And that's pretty much what's happened over here. And I'll let you know what happens in 24 hours. But now let's see what Marissa has to say with the egg experiment.
Well, starting the egg experiment tonight, I just put 2 eggs into our 2 glasses. This is glass. Both of them are sitting in vinegar. We kind of both agreed that both of the shells with the vinegar, the egg shells will start to disintegrate, leaving the egg membrane still intact. That would be our hypothesis. Other than that, we will see what happens in 24 hours of if the egg shell were to disintegrate, then it'll be leaving a membrane, and then from there on out we can start working on the next step, which we would put dye into a glass 1, which is here, and would be water and a couple drops of food coloring. Glass number 2 would be here, and then we would add corn syrup to that to see what would happen in the next few stages after our first. If the vinegar does not disintegrate the eggshell, I would believe that they'll still remain intact, its normal form, and nothing will happen with the eggs. But as you can see right now, both of the eggs are starting to get more buoyant with the water and starting to rise. Now, if you put a regular egg in just in water, it just sinks. So I believe right now osmosis or diffusion is going on, or what is it, Tony? Active transportation?
Yeah.
I believe that
Huh? I believe it's active transport.
Yeah. I believe active transport is going on right now. But we will see what happens in 24 hours, and then we will reconnect and keep going with this experiment. All right, that is it. Other than that, We will see you in 24 hours. All right.